Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Ford EcoSport, stock number 6788. This ran from the 11th 2013 and the 1st 2020. It has a BR 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front headrest light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,